Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Mike. I'm here for Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. Just going to show everybody simple things to do around the house that can take your mind off of school but kind of incorporate schoolwork into everything. What I've done is I've created some mind jars or some timeout jars or some break jars. Very simple instructions. You just need some glue, some bottles, and some water and some glitter. So what I've done, I'll show you. I've created 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And they function a little bit different. One goes really, really fast. And it takes about 3 minutes for it to finish and settle. The next one takes about 5 to 7 minutes to settle. It's a little bit slower, the trickle's a little bit slower. And finally, the last one, which takes about, as you can see, a half an hour for it to fully all settle down at the bottom. And what I do with my own kids is I use them as part of a practice tool. They have to work for as they need to. So the longest one, which takes about a half an hour, the other one can be for a bathroom break, and the other one can be for just a simple break that they would need. And the only way they can reset the bottles is after all 3 of them are done. So that's one idea. I'll show you another one, and it's going to relate to the kitchen. Alright, so now into the kitchen. What you could do is you can get your young ones or your kids to give you a hand doing baking, or what I'm about to do is I'm about to marinate a steak. So I've set out all the ingredients, that way you guys wouldn't have to watch me do it all. So as you can see, all these measurements, all the measuring cups and tools, which you can kind of use as a math problem, or help them know to learn their half a cup, 1/3 of a cup, or a quarter of a cup, like that. Those are some things that you can do, and it can be basically anything. So see, I've mixed them all, and now I'm going to mix them all up, combine them all together. And this is a great way to get the kids interactive and working with you, and they can be doing all of this. So you could just tell them all the ingredients that they need, and you can basically, just get them to do it all. So then you take it, and you kind of just drown your steaks a little bit at a time. And then if you really want to get them creative, you can get them to get their hands right in there, flip steaks over so that they are all marinated and delicious. Put them in the fridge, cook them up in an hour or 2. So in closing, just what I'm trying to get across is just have them interact with you. Get out there, do things with them, get interactive. It helps them get motivated. It helps change the train of thought in the whole household, especially when you include them in things. I'm now outside. Outside is another big part of getting your kids interactive. You can grab leaves off trees, do some research, pick worms, do some research on them. There's so much outdoors that you can do with your kids that you can incorporate school. I just wanted to give you guys a few examples and show you kind of things that you can do to help motivate your kids, and not just sitting them down by a computer or getting them to read. All right, I hope this video helps. Enjoy and have a great summer.